Khethile on the left off.
Hey, namhlanje ihamba kanje. Luyanda. Topic ithi nje nawu uphela umuzi kaBaba. Ngithola ubufakazi obukhomba ukuthi unkosikazi wami uhloso ukungishiya. Ngalobola intokazi engiyithandayo eminyakeni ewu6 edlule, azange sibe nomshado omhlophe kodwa sakwenza konke okwesintu ngoba ngaze ngacacelwa wathelwa ngenyongo. Khona sengihluphile ingane yabantu, angiphiki ngoba sekukaningi ingithola emaphutheni kodwa ixole iqhubeke nempilo. Nangalesikhathi singakoshadi sasiphila leyo mpilo nje, ibanjwe axole. Ngiyayondla lengane yabantu kanye nengane eyodwa esinayo ndawonye. Ngenza sure abashodi ngalutho ngoba umsebenzi usangivumile. U10k ngenyanga ngiyamfakela ebank ngenzela ukuthi angashodi ngalutho nengane. Unkosikazi akuyena umuntu othanda ubukhazikhazi kanti futhi uyathula kakhulu. Bengizithanda zombili lezi zinto ngaye kodwa manje seziyangithusa. Sekuphele izinyanga ezicishe zibe 2 manje ngathola ibank statement eyangishiya ngishaqekile. Ibank statement ekankosikazi for iaccount engingayazi nengakaze akhulume ngayo. Le account ino 712,000 rand and angazi uyithatha le mali ngoba akasebenzi futhi angazi ukuthi le mali useyiqoqe over isikhathi esingakanani. Angikwazi nokubheka ukuthi iqhamuka kubani le mali. Ngoba okwavela kule statement ukuthi nje kwaba nama cash deposit amathathu kuleyo nyanga eyayiveziwe, u3k, u6k as well as 2k. Ngishaywa uvalo manje ngoba angazi noma lo mfazi uhloso ukungishiya yini, noma unesoko elimupha yona le mali, noma mhlambe wenza into engekho emthethweni. Angazi noma ngiyafuna yini ukumbuza ngale mali ngoba impendulo ngiyayesaba. Nanokuthi kuningi okwami abekuxolela, including ukumithisa omunye ebekhona. Ubuthongo angisabazi. Sengiciphe nasemzimbeni. Angisathembi lutho kubi. If you were in icathulo za lo bhuti who sent this through, what would your thoughts be? Because he's torn between thinking ucabanga ukumshiya unkosikazi noma mhlambe usenesoko elisha elimupha le mali noma mhlambe wenza into engekho emthethweni. You see, uphitheni ikhanda, there's so many options, so many possibilities to this situation, but 712,000 rand, that's close to 1 million. Angazi wena ubona kanjani? Please do reach out via WhatsApp ku 078-934-2827. On Facebook, you can comment. It's The Lift Off on Gagasi FM. And you're also more than welcome to give me a call on 0861-596-596. Khethile is of a man who is unsure where he stands with his wife because clearly now there's secrets. Ubethanda the fact ukuthi akabuthanda ukukhazikhazi futhi uyathula, but now this is what scares him about her. Mzo.
Hello.
Hi, unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila. Hey Mzo, uyazi ukuthi uyakhala ubhuti ukuthi sithandwa sakhe akasazi manje ukuthi kwenzakalani. Khona ama secret accounts, khona ama 712,000 rand. What would you think if you were him and what's the way forward?
Yazi ukuthi into ebuhlungu welo about ama relationship esesibekona. Ungayenzi vethi into ongekuthanda kuyenze kwena. Futhi yabona mawuzo lokuxolela into eneyodwa lo muntu awumthathi serious. Uzoloku uxolela wenza ama mistake afana njalo wena uyaxolela. And ubhuti nje manje ufanele test ukuthi wakhe awudlayo. Umuntu wakhe lo awufundise lokusazana ukuthi make ethuxolile nakhona imizamo ayenzayo yokuthi hlambe aqhubeke nempilo. Kodwa akambuza. Ngoba usahleli naye akambuza thole reality injengoba injalo anga assume. Ngoba ukasuma kuzomenza ukuthi acabanga ukuthi ehlamba ngicabanga ngumshiya kanti lo muntu esifanele uxolile ngempela akekho lapho kodwa kwesinye isikhathi uzothi mayithi uyambuza athi yazini lezi zintathu uzenza sezingiholelela uthole futhi iqiniso naye sekufanele lalamukele linjengoba linjalo.
Hey
kodwa akambuzi straight ukuthi lana ungitshela sithanga sami kwenzakalani la amchazele leyo mpendulo azoyithola fanele naye imukele njengoba esuke exolisa bese imukele usizo.
Hayi, ngiyakuzwa Mzo. Thank you so much for the call, ne?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sharp.
Sure.
Hello?
Yebo sanibona.
Sawubona njani?
Ngi-right Masonjikazi wena.
Hayi no ngiyaphila. Ngikhuluma noba?
Okhuluma noNhlakanipho uthi Dream Chaser Ngcobo owaziwa ngothando eMarespect. Ngisenanje namhlanje. Jwayele ukuba seMarespect.
Danke inhlakanipho. Umzo uthi usisi is giving him a taste of his own medicine. Wena uthini ubuzowenza njani kule situation?
Ya mfethu, njengoba nje angithi nayo benempilo kwaze impilo yakhe yavela ngokuthi kuhlale isisu komunye umuntu. So umnikeza umuntu akuzisa wona kufanele yabo. But ke kule situation ubrazo uma ukuthi yena ufuna ukumbuza usisi akaqhamuke ngeidea ukuthi nayi mina imali esengiyibekile kule mali engihlezi nginika yona mhlambe ukhona nobuyibeka mawukuthi akayivezi ke lo 700k kube sebona lapho ke isinqumo sengathatha lapho kodwa kwamanje akakwazi kube lamqonda ambuze ngemali yakhe engeke aveze lutho olumenza abuze yabo ngcono mayizothi mhlambe like emndenini noma emshadweni wethu sengibeka imali engaka mhlamba kukho nokwenzayo like something like that ngoba mayizoqhamuka amqonde nyambuzi umbuzelana yawo.
Manje what happens if inhlakanipho uyambuza bese usisi does not mention lo 712,000 rand?
Sengabakena ke ingakho ngithe ena isinqumo sengathatha emva kwalapho because nami angazi ukuthi yini engamluleka ngayo kodwa okubalekile umjida nayo unazi imfihlo ngoba nakho kuze eyakhe yavela ngokuthi kuhlale isisu komunye umuntu ngaphandle and ukuyakubenzini ukuthi uyamhlupha asazi ukuthi umhlupha nganjelani ukuchazile no akachazanga. Remember eSouth Africa sinenkinga ye-pandemic ye-GBV so asazi njengoba ehlezi ethule ukuthi ubaleleni ngaphakathi so mayinga identify ukuthi umhlupha nganjelani kuqala ila singakwazi ke mhlawumbe ukumnika nama advice as i-case etenyenza.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa. Thank you so much for the call Nhlakanipho.
Okay, sharp.
Nhlakanipho saying maybe he must start off by being honest, saying uthanda sami na imali ngiyibekile. On your side, do you have ama savings? Maybe, you know, act like there's a plan that he has thizeni ukuthi so where are we standing financially? I don't know. What's your take on the matter? How would you best deal with it? Uyasho ukuthi uyasaba ukubuza because impendulo yalo yokuthi le mali iqhamukaphi uyayesaba futhi naye. Philo going on to Facebook to see your comments. Upromise Magalindo uthi usisi uhlakaniphile. Yabona nje uhlakaniphile, she has saved all this money. Obumupha yona. Kusho ukuthi uyayithatha nje uyibeke eceleni. uMandla Myeni uthi nje udlalile ngosisi manje yi10 kasisi. And nokayi naye ngathi akazazi kahle hle. Unkanyiso Khanyile uthi akabuza ukuthi imali iqhamuka kuphi. Engaka pho. I know 712,000 rand is a lot of money and it's a hidden account that you've never heard of. No ukuthi it exists. Intokazi Mlambo uthi leadership, that's one. Suka. Abona lo 70k lo sisi uloku ucaphula kulo 10,000 umnikeza wona. Usisi sekaphumile nje kubhuti. Sekalinde nje ukuthi athathe imthwalo yakhe ayozihlalela. I don't know. What's your take on this? Do you also think ukuthi this side account, this side hustle, this side money that he doesn't know of must be signaling to her trying to get ready to up and leave? Or do you think she's saving for rainy days because she's been disappointed so much by this man? She feels ukuthi she needs to be able ukuthi ayimele, ayihlanganisele and make things happen for herself because this man umgila over and over and over again. What if she's just trying to stay ready for rainy days? Usindi Mabaso uthi mina ngithi mbuze unkosikazi kodwa ube strong for her answer. So go there mentally and emotionally prepared. Ube strong for the answer yakhe. UNonhlanhla Madlala uthi yena inkinga enkulu ke le. Kumele ambuze nje angafeli ngaphakathi but yabona nje emjoleni noma eyinteni zothando ungenzi into ongeke uthande iyenziwe kuwena. Don't do it. Uyoli Mzileni uthi wow. Amazing. Imama lelo. Yoli, this is how you must operate as a mama that has been disappointed by your partner over and over again. Usindi Ngcobo uthi isongeso. Maybe futhi unkosikazi ube save kuwo lo 10k bemnika wona monthly. Nolwazi Lamini uthi yabona lo mfazi akanikwe ibells yakhe. Mr. Khomo?
Yebo sisami njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Angiyaphila dadewethu.
Wena uthi uthanikwe ibells noma uthi nje engeke mayilungiswe le ndaba fast?
Ubafakazama ukubuza usisi. 1 asazi ukuthi uqale nini umnika u10k ngabe sesibhalansile sashaya i-accounting yakube kuvelile enkulumeni yakho ukuthi u10k waqala ngalonyaka ukumnika wona ngabe sengiyishayile i-calculation ngoba ngiyakwazi ukubhalansisa ngayenza accounting esikoleni manje ngeke sibaleke emoyeni futhi okunye abantu besifazane banayo indlela okwenza imali kuyagembulwa la ngaphandle mhlambe begembula usisi ezehlisela i-stress lesasifaka uyena umfowethu njengoba umfowethu ethi akalali ebusuku manje nosisi njengoba ade emhlupha naye bengalali ebusuku yabona lento ayizwayo umfowethu ile kade iziwa usisi isikhuni sibuya ngomkhwezeli uyena okhwezele yonke lento njengoba sowuvutha lo mlilo soyamshisa manje ukuthi awoshe
hey people are burning brothers is
ubrother wami akenza iqiniso nkosikazi wakhe leyo akahlale naye amtshene lo ngaphakathi angakusebenzisa uphathi yakho okudinwa manje ukuthi udinike ukuthi unemali enkulu angazi ukuthi akabuza athola iqiniso lona izomkhulula iqiniso kodwa ngihleze ngisho mangena kwikhethile ngithi umuntu akathanda umuntu ngendlela enhle angayenzi into angazithandi yenziwe kuyena ngabe owesifazane ngabe owesilisa ngiyabonga Luyanda
hayi ngiyakuzwa mina Mr Khomo thank you so much for the call ne
Thank you mfethu.
Danki. Clear and simple. Musu kwenza into ongafuni ukuthi yenziwe kuwena because then who are you going to cry to? Who are you going to blame? Sekushubile. Ulilo Ndovilakazi uthi ngiyamthanda lo sisi. Akamemezi uzishayela into yakhe phansi. Ukuthi lo bhuti beguquza enzani kuma document akasisi asazi. But vuna mfo, vuna uzenzile. uMakagundi Majobe uthi aze kukhona into abantu besilisa abangayazi ukuthi the more wenza amaphutha ngixolela uthando luyancipha kanye netrust and once kwaphela leyo nto awu suke sekulahleka itaste yothando le ndoda nje undlalile lo mbhede ayilaleke phela manje Makagundi wathi nje it's time for a sleepy you made this bed now lay in it uMenzi Ndlovu uthi akangabuzi avela aqhamuke nenkinga edinga isamba so500,000 ezoba mhlambe ibhizinisi yabo elizovusa nje umuzi ubuka ukuthi uyoke ayiveze le mali noma cha awukodwa Menzi uSibu Maphumulo also agreeing with Menzi's idea saying engathi angayithatha ke le advice lena Unonhle Miss Pretty Ntombela uthi give that woman her bills ngaze ngamthanda ubabes umfundo maps uthi impela indlela yaziwa umhambi ucabanga ukubi kodwa nje akukho nje ucabanga omuhle ukuthi mhlambe lo sisi sikhona isizathu sokuthi agcine le mali he's only thinking of bad things because he's only done bad things to her hectic let's hear your last round of voice notes
hello Maluya
hello
mina guys ngithanda ukuphawula ngale ndaba yalo sisi lona lo bhuti lo yazi ngendlela engiyibuka ngayo mina mhlambe akayibuka ngawayibala wayibukisisa kahle because uma ubuka kahle uma ukuthi umsendela u10,000 every month mhlambe ngoDecember mabe bonusile naye yambonusisa okay ugel mhlambe akacabanga ukuthi mhlambe uyayisave some part of that money mhlambe mina ngibona ukuthi mhlambe ugel la ehlala khona kuba uphuma ekhaya right umuntu right which imali akayona umuntu oyidinga ngalo ndlela leyo ama savings akhe so uyayisave imali because mina ngithema ngihlala phansi ngiyibala le mali njoba ngiyibala iyahlangana phinde izibe over kule mali amupha yona akabheka ama spending ukuthi spenda kanjani akaphinda ahlale phansi acabange kahle because iyahlangana iziphinde ibe over imali amupha yona kule mali athi uyifice kwi-account maybe you open a saving account akwazi ukuthi asave imali maybe you saving for something like enkulu or something guys bongiwe lo akakhesi
Morning Luyanda
Morning
khethile yo yamema shubile akwamina nje into engam-advise ngayo ma brother umfowethu lo aqinise ubudoda bakhe enze sure ukuthi akeleselenzi iphutha akasamhluphi umamazi kodwa Nkosi uyamthanda ngalendlela le enze sure ukuthi manje uqonde njengothi lo mkhonto ngoba usebona into enjeni idlozi la kubo mina ngithi liyamthanda yena akenze sure nje ukuthi umbamba ngabe samdedela lo mama lo unkosikazi wangempela lo angibonke ke weMaluya Luya
sawubona weMaluya Luya sihambe wabuya yo isigaxa sale ndaba le yo Jesu kodwa ke mina yami advice for umfowethu ukuthi since kunkosikazi wakhe ambuze ngayo straight imali if engayidisclose kuzobe kukhombisa ukuthi khona ukushaya amanzi because fanele ayidisclose if ukuthi u-right yonke into i-transparent but if engadisclose nje kuzobe khona ukushaya amanzi of which will make ukuthi ubhodi lo kuzofanele avule amehlo ukabona ukuthi wenze njani njengendoda eyi kona kunzima kona kodwa-ke ake sithemba ukuthi kuzolunga useyalo emandawe danko
Danke siya. Hayi asithemba ukuthi kuzolunga. Ngicela sishiye lapho khethile yanamhlanje because we've had your input. Truly appreciate it, especially because we've had different points of views and perspectives saying ukuthi, but why can't you see the good in this? What if she's saving for you guys as a family and not as part of the exit strategy sakhe? But also, if these people are married, then it depends because mhlambe uButi has access to half of this money because against Lalabo, what is yours is mine. What is mine is yours. Sharing everything equally. I don't know, man. But do get in touch with your Ketile. Send us an email. It's theliftoff@gagasi995.co.za. And next week, Monday, we might just be helping you.